My video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Rincrypt3. Rincrypt3 is a ransomware that is able to damage the files considerably. Before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Rincrypt3 ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them. Of course, remember that my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I'll give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. So you can clearly see that we were able to open the files, but this ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So users soon realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware appends this Rincrypt3 extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note where it indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file recovery. However, I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. Instead, what you can do is to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and start thoroughly investigating your system. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way, your data will be always under the protection by this anti-ransomware feature. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware effectively, and it helps to protect the data. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.